Meet the Summer Infant 3Dlite Tandem Stroller. Designed for families on the move, it's the perfect blend of style, safety, and versatility. At only 24 pounds, the Summer Infant 3Dlite Tandem is easy to carry and store, making it a perfect travel companion. Your children's safety comes first with the 5-point safety harness and anti-shock wheels, ensuring a stable and secure ride. The stroller's removable sun canopy ensures your little ones are protected from harmful UV rays during your outings. With features like a cup holder and a spacious storage basket, this stroller is designed for parents on the go. This stroller is perfect for children 6 months and older, making it a great investment as they grow. Join the community of happy parents who appreciate the quality and design of this fantastic stroller. Don't miss out on this deal. Get your Summer Infant 3Dlite Tandem Stroller now for only $129.